Okay. That's my oldest grandson, and that's my baby.
Oh, that's a cute
That's all the people are going to hear on this video.
She
What?
was like my baby.
Yep.
Coloring.
Yeah.
Deb was showing me her grandson and her dog.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you were on the phone. Hello.
Well, we got a lot of the kitchen stuff done. We got the kitchen all cleaned up. We've got all the furniture in, the beds together. Tomorrow we'll have to work on the clothing for Diane and David. It's hard. It's hard to say. Hard to say, my dear. Because we're getting there. Hey, a lot less boxes out there. Mikey got all the TV, all the kids.
Ours. All the our TV done.
So Diana did what?
Come sit down and I'll grab your blanket.
What thing takes video too? Mm-hmm.
That would be really good, Bill. What do you think? You think Jim will care?
I think she'll put him upstairs, huh?
Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, hey, Jim
Diane?
probably doesn't care.
Okay. Everyone shift to their left a touch. So Dave can see.
Sorry.
Oh, I could see.
I'm just bossy. I'm just like, you want to come for me?
Okay. Yep. Yep, that's right. That would be better. Very awesome.
So, Eric, do they truly do it every night?
In the summertime.
Yep.
Because I was going, if I lived next door, I'm not sure I'd be real happy.
You know what? There's not really a whole lot of housing that's
Out there.
Really good.
right. Yeah.
Well, there's that little sort of. Oh, that. You know where that trailer park was that they condemned,
today,
wasn't
I
it?
think. I got a
out in the bay, Mission Bay.
That's right where I just moved from.
Was it?
Yeah, they didn't.
I thought they had. The city had.
The city's trying.
Eminent domain, or
The
was
city-
trying to.
The city's trying to get everybody out of there because they want to take it over.
Right.
But the residents.
And that's what I meant by
Long time
condemned to
ago.
eminent domain, because they were trying to take it. Yeah. So they.
Yeah,
put
he
it
was
to
all.
whatever use they want.
Right. They want to put a resort.
Yeah.
I think they want to put a resort down there.
Oh, there's a finale.
Yeah, my place is pretty
now.
much right across the bay
There's
from
the finale.
where it is.
And it was fine.